Hi, I want to show you how to navigate our course. The first point I want to make, perhaps the most important, is to rely on the modules over here. Don't use the to-do list to get the course done, because if you do, you're going to miss a lot of important instructions. Right now, I only have one module open. I have my little welcome here, and there's a student lounge for discussing, for asking questions of each other and just sort of chatting. And then I have the first module. There will be two modules every week. The first one will have a Thursday due date, and the second one will have Saturday and Sunday due dates. They'll be about as long as this one is. It's about a dozen pages. But my first point is to click through and read and really take notes even on the pages. If you use the to-do list, you'll end up skipping all of these instructional pages and going directly to the assignment pages, and so you'll miss a lot of important information. That's really important. So let's go back here to the home page. I will stack 3 announcements on the home page. Right now there's only one announcement showing, but it's because there's only one announcement. I've got the welcome letter here in case you missed that in your email. I sent it to everyone in their email. You can click on announcements. Pretty soon there will be a lot of announcements, more than the ones that show, and you can click on announcements to go back and look at earlier announcements that you need information from. This one here, communications, is really important. It's where you will go to get all the contact information for me, and then where you'll sign up for office hours. There's a link here to a Google Doc, which provides all my availability for appointments, and I'm super available and wanting to meet with you. Your grades is here. I think most everyone is pretty familiar with the basics of Canvas at this point, and the inbox is really important. That's also where you stay in touch with me and your classmates. Just let me know if you have any questions by sending me an email in the inbox. See you soon.